guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. Today in this video we will learn how to completely block internet on your Android smartphone. Whatever phone you're using, like Redmi, Realme, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Motorola, any Android phone. So in that phone, if you want to block the complete internet access on your phone, so then this video is only for you. Watch this video till end very carefully. If you enable the Wi-Fi and mobile data, at that time also you can't able to access the mobile internet. So first I will show you the internet access is working perfectly fine in my phone. As you can see guys, I have opened YouTube and then I will open any web browser like Google Chrome. So the internet is working fine. Now let's block the complete internet. For this guys, we will going to use free firewall application. Don't worry, you don't need to root your Android phone. This is very safe and secure. Open the Play Store. In the Play Store, here you need to search Netcard. Simply download and install this application. After download and install, open this application, enable the all necessary permission. So this application is very safe. It does not send your internet traffic to an external VPN server. Everything happen locally on your Android phone only. You will see every installed application listed on your screen. Each app has two icons, one for Wi-Fi and one for mobile data. To block the internet completely, disable the both icons. So for example, I will block the internet for my YouTube application. I will disable Wi-Fi and also I will disable the mobile data. You can do this individually for specific app. Also make sure you need to enable the Netcard VPN also. Once both icons are disabled, that app cannot access the internet even if Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Let's verify that it is working or not. Wi-Fi also enable and mobile data also enable. Now I will open the YouTube application in my phone. As you can see guys, the YouTube application is completely blocked. The YouTube application was not able to access my internet connection. So you can do with this other app as well. Now let's test it with another app. Scroll down. So I will block the internet access for my Facebook as well for my Instagram application like this. Now close this application. Now I will open the Facebook. So as you can see guys, Facebook is also not working. The image was not properly loading, video is not properly playing. As you can see guys, the internet access was blocked in my Facebook application as well. Now let's test it on Instagram. I have opened the Instagram. As you can see guys, Instagram also not working even with the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, so guys, this is very nice and very useful application to block the internet access completely on your phone. This setup is useful if you are giving your phone to a child, you want a offline learning device, you want to stop apps from accessing the internet, or you simply want better control over your phone. A few important notes: if you uninstall Netcard, internet access will be restored automatically on your phone. So if you are already using another VPN, you need to disconnect it before using the Netcard application. If someone turn off the Netcard, internet access will work again. Okay, you need to remember this guys. To prevent that, you can use the app lock or parental control protection on your phone. If you have the inbuilt option to hide the Netcard application on your phone, so you can also easily able to hide that application. Okay, anyone cannot be able to turn off the Netcard application on your phone, and that's how you can completely block the internet access on almost any Android phone while keeping Wi-Fi and mobile data turned on. If this video helped you out, give it thumbs up, subscribe to TECHiFY and turn on notification for more Android tips, privacy guide and troubleshooting tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.